In this video, I'm going to show you how to add inventory on Wix. Now, the first thing you'd want to do to get started is to log into your Wix homepage right here. Next, you're going to want to look for Store Products at the left side of the screen, then click on Inventory. This will pull up a list of all the products we have available on sale on our homepage, or web page rather. And as you can see, under the Inventory column, we have this drop-down box. The options available here are only in stock and out of stock. It doesn't really give us the details on the inventory of the specific products. So to add inventory, you're just gonna click on the specific product so that we can edit it. And then we're just gonna scroll down until we find inventory and shipping. So as you can see here, track inventory is currently disabled. We're just going to enable that. And the status below here, change it into inventory. We can change the value into how much of this product is still available. So maybe, for example, there's 25 left. And once that's done, just go ahead and click save. And as you can see right here, under inventory, it now says 25. You can do the same for all your other products so that you always have an idea of how much is left. And of course, this value will always change whenever a user buys this product from you. That'll make things easier for you whenever you make your sales or you track your sales. And that's about it. That's how you add inventory on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.